Welcome to the world's fastest sport, where only the best of the best compete.
Ah, for flying out loud!
For the first time, we have a crop duster in the race.
Well, he's gonna die.
Dusty, you're going up against the best racers in the world.
I'm afraid of heights.
That airplane needs some help. Y'all know that, right?
Yeah. It ain't how fast you fly, it's how you fly fast. You can fly a whole lot higher than you think.
Ballistic!
He's ready.
Hey, look who made it. It's Rusty. Dusty Crop Hopper.
Farm boy.
Wow, you're Bulldog Tally Hell.
Most people call me Ishani.
I'm Hail Chupacabra.
We will have many adventures. We will laugh. We will cry. We will dance. Probably not with each other.
Don't let anything distract you. He is like a sunrise after a lifetime of darkness.
Or like fresh fertilizer on a field of dying grass.
This is not your thing, my friend.
Danke for representing all us little planes.
But you're a car.
Serious identity issues.
You think you can beat me?
Squish my cape at you! You have been shamed.
Kennedy approach, over.
Go back to Jersey, you bum.
This is Dusty Crop Hopper. I'm caught in a storm. I'm going down.
It's a really compelling underdog story. Like Old Yeller.
That's not an underdog story.
There's a dog in it.
What? Oh, man, that's nasty.
Mayday! Big castle, roll right.
I owe you my life.
Are you crying?
I don't cry, I'm British.